done.
Josh,
I'm trying to line this up. Can you fuck off for a second, Paulin?
Here, get a bit farther this way though. It's better to cut twice than have it cut too short.
Fuck off, smart boy.
Go back to crappy tire.
right there, right here.
Josh, I hate to shut
That's
down
not a
your
marker,
concentration
Brandon.
camp.
That's
fine.
This
That's
is a
fine.
little shorter than
Screwdriver.
this.
Give her hell, you're fucking retarded.
Mint.
Look, okay?
So good.
Too short.
We can
But
survive.
now it's Paulin did the same thing. It's like, well, this guy's a retard. He made it too long. It's okay, Paulin. We never had a brain fart just like you. God, you are some
Also
dense
makes the
fucks.
shittiest cuts. Blade's too long, that's why I like the shorty blades.
I learned to skateboard today.
You have your something? Oh, it's really recording?
Oh, stop. My old neighbor owns a
Don't
Morgan.
fucking put that skateboard in the side of that car.
My old neighbor owns a Morgan.
Can we put the car in the side of the
Over there?
skateboard?
Look at this death wheel. Look how bad.
Here, turn it on.
Fuck.
Now try and do a 180.
No?
No, just like pop
I
your...
can barely do this.
Just pop your back. No, you don't need to
Alright,
show
Brendan's
off.
gonna do something crazy now and make me feel like a piece of shit. Oh yeah. Wow.
All I can do is an ollie.
Wow.
Wow. What a show.
I need a marker, an actual marker.
What a show.
Okay.
Can I do that?
You killed him.
Sick.
I don't want Paul. If you have to grab me a beer, I'd much appreciate it.
Bubbly beverages for everyone.
You must be very fun at parties.
All the cocaine.
And he's not even...
Getting ready for the after prom. You actually get...
You ever seen that one?
You actually get that look?
The belly slap.
Are these really dances?
They're
So behind us. So behind us.
Oh, look at cocaine!